engineer. Welcome back to this channel, Smart Campbell Discovered Science. Today I'm going to show you this project. Our project is called a automatic door locking system. So I'm going to use this keypad to open and close the door by entering the password for the system to allow you to enter and the press. So on this system we have a few components like we have this keypad. Also we have a liquid glass display. This is to show you what is going on. Also we have this keypad. So on this keypad you need to enter a password to allow the door to be open. Also we have this servo motor. So this servo motor is just like it used it on opening and closing the door. Also we have this Arduino Megabat. You can use Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, or whatever. Also you have this power supply. So let's see what is going on through this system. So when I'm in a wrong password, just like when I press 1 then 9, you see code incorrect, so get away, means that the password, the door will not open. So the correct password will be 147. Also I'm going to press 3. So after that you will see this servo motor is open, and on a display it show you access. Now it's count within 5 seconds, as you see. So when the 5 seconds left, so you see relocking, so the door will relock automatically. As you see, the servo motor is closed, means that the door is closed. Now you need to enter the code to open the system again. So, and when I'm trying to write a incorrect password, so just like I press 1, then 4, also 7, and I forget one of these, I press 9, you get the incorrect password. So you need to click on a correct password to open the system. So 147, also sleep. So you see the servo is open. Also on this display it show access and get within. You need the door will open within 5 seconds. This system on a Proteus profession. So I'm done this simulation on a Proteus profession. So this is the password door locking system. As I said before, so let's simulate. Also on this we have this program, Arduino program, and the password will be the correct password will be 1, 4, 7, and 3. So when I'm typing, when I press a number out from this, so the system will not allow me to open the door. So let's see on a Proteus profession. So if you read this simulation, also a Proteus file, just link into our description, and see to join into our Telegram channel. So just click and join into our Telegram channel to get this simulation, also a program file. So let's see. So my password is 1, 4, 7, and 3. So when I'm press a number out from this password, so just like I press 2, so see the system code incorrect, so get away. So our system will be like this. So and if I press so just wait. So let's press a correct password. So 1, 4, 7, also 3. The system will access granted. You're welcome. And also you will see this motor will open. After that the system will close automatically. So let's see, getting within 5 seconds, as you see. So the second decreases. Now it's 4, getting within 3. Also what's this? So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, put your like, and leave a comment if you have any suggestion about this project. So for more videos, just click subscribe button and put a notification on to get latest videos about Arduino projects. So now the system is locked, so you'll see this servo motor is rotates. You see it means it closes the door. Now this is our circuit diagram for our system. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you need this program file for this system, just see link into the description. You'll see link to join into our Telegram channel, so click and join into our Telegram channel for more about this. Thanks for this video and welcome to another.